Once again, 57 Old Timers Day, baby. That's how we do it. We finished boiling. Crowded out here, baby. Doing it. Old school best style 57. Our old hood. Nothing but the homies out here. We go check from my homeboy. Somebody want to see me. Ain't seen him in years. You know? Yeah. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. There you go. That nigga got away from me. He must be way on the other side. Where That's how we do it. Oh, hood. I know just about all the OGs out here. There you go. They doing it, fool. Ooh, it's crowded out here. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. See them? Wow. Let me go over here. It's hot out here, boy. Ooh. You didn't see him, huh? Oh, shit. Let me see if he remember me. What's up, man? You remember me?
I remember the face.
Forster, 211 Lewis Avenue, Forster. Forster, 211 Lewis Avenue. Right next door, Miss Williams' store.
I know, I was talking about
One of the
Johnny.
Yep.
Johnny in there.
I'm Johnny. I am Johnny. What's up, baby?
Hey, that man.
I said, what's up, man? He's like, Johnny, I am Johnny.
I wouldn't recognize you.
You wouldn't recognize me, man?
I wouldn't recognize
Pardon me, my brother. Yeah, man. How you? Can't complain, man?
I'm doing all right.
Yeah.
Life is good.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know what I mean?
That's right, baby.
I carved out a good life for myself.
Yeah,
you know,
running it.
God directed me.
Right.
All that good stuff.
Me
You know how
too.
it go.
Me too.
You caught up in the shit, all of a sudden you wake up and God take over.
Oh, no.
And you go that way.
Yeah. Now I'm retired now. I can go that way. Yeah,
Where you
baby.
retired from?
Construction supervisor.
All right.
Heavy equipment operator.
Yeah, I retired from Jamaica Hospital 2 years ago.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah. That was
Wow. Wow, it's been decades since I've seen people around here.
Yeah.
You know? Wow, man. Ooh. So, I'm grandfather now, right? Your grandfather now,
I
right?
don't have no kids, man.
No?
That boat went by me.
That went by you?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I got him.
What happened to your brothers? Johnny, you said you Johnny.
I'm Johnny. Rob passed away.
What about James?
James passed away.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, them two. It was me and Alan, the baby brother.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. And all the girls. Except one, Sandra. You know, one of my sisters, Sandra, you know?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, I'm about to go back over here, man.
All right,
It's
Johnny.
good to see you, man.
Same here, brother.
Boy, years, right?
Oh, yeah.
No, decades. Ooh, yeah, y'all. I had to get out of that sun. It's hot as a motherfucker. I'm going back in here where the shade is at. Pops ain't with that. Plus, you know, Pops watching women too. You know how that go. I'm gonna tell the truth. I ain't gonna lie. I just love y'all. Let me stop. Kid, baby girl, what up? What up, Shay? Y'all ready for that? Woo! Huh? Why? Trying to bring you on camera, but it's declining. You know how it is. Oh shit. I'm gonna go back in. Now.
Y'all know how things are changing, right? Yeah, y'all know how things are changing, right?
Back over it was cool.
It wasn't for us doing these events in the community. Listen to me.
Wow.
It's gonna keep going on and on and on. It's never gonna stop. Listen to me.
Blunt, y'all know Pops high. Have to slow up a little bit. Fuck it. It is what it is.
I'm part of 57 Old Timers Day.
63 ain't high. Nothing.
I am the legendary DJ OJ, and I have permits for all parts. Sound permits for all parts. All right, listen to me. That's when I do what I do. I've been doing Stop the Violent Concert and Show, me and my brothers, for 21 years. Listen to me. And I want y'all to know, I fought to get this park back for 57. Hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. They wanted to take the pool, listen to me, and turn it into a dog run. I train dogs, but we can't do that. You know why? Because, what was it? A pool. Am I right for the kids? All right. Enough with me. Yeah, enough with me, y'all. Listen to me. Yeah, listen to me.
Tell them right,
I'm not even gonna do it. Y'all hear me?
Oh, there we go.
It's a beat, baby. It's DJ Lance.
Hey, hands up in the air. It's the music now. Hands up in the air.
It's my old hood. I know everybody here. All the old timers. Oh, shorty, don't hit me now. All the old timers. Everybody. No. Yeah.
to DJ Lance. Come
Going for
on.
the quiet side now. Yeah. Alright, y'all. About to sit down now. They giving out free food. You know, Pop's about to get him something to eat.